Hey guys, the Crypto Noob here. So we're going to be installing an LCD today. The one you see pictured here, which was purchased on Amazon. I'll go ahead and I'll link it down below so you know where to buy the product. The idea is I want to put this external LCD somewhere in this region because at this point I have to dedicate a full screen to monitor the mining rig, which I don't want to do. Now, the LCD screen does not come with USB power, so we got your USB right here. I went ahead, pulled the cable from my bin, and I do have an HDMI cable. Probably unnecessary, but this is a HDMI cable that does 2K and 4K, so I'll go ahead and I'll link this product below as well. Good cable. I use a lot of these. I bought from the vendor before, so all in all, works out. I will apologize because I know right now you guys are probably hearing a lot of fans. So that is the fans on the GPUs that are making monies. So I am going to install this, and I hope you guys enjoy. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so at this point it is back up. I think I did jar a cable loose back there because it did stop working. I heard all the fans basically spin down. I'm sure as you guys heard. So at this point it looks like the screen's been detected by Windows 10. You can see the clock there, and there's my login. So the idea here would be maybe I could get some zip ties and mount it here, or maybe I could do something like maybe just leave it right here so I can see it, make sure it's, you know, doing some work. You know, maybe I do some carving in on this desk next to me, and I insert it down into the desk, or maybe I put it here. I mean, there's tons of options. Let me know what you guys think. I should probably take this plastic off. I think this screen is touchscreen, but I'm not sure. But yeah, it works. I'm happy. So be sure to like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff, and I will see you guys in the next video.